If your filter is flushing at a much higher frequency than usual, it could indicate degraded water quality at the water source, seasonal algae growth, low inlet pressure, or the filter being heavily clogged. Start by checking water quality at the source and pressure. If these are in order, proceed with the following steps. Check the DP on the app and on the pressure gauge are equal. If so, the problem is a heavily clogged filter. Proceed to clean the filter based on the troubleshooting video, How to Fix a Clogged Filter. If the DP in the app and the pressure gauge is not equal, then proceed to check the DP sensor itself. Disconnect the high and low pressure tubes from the controller. Now calibrate the DP sensor on the app so that the DP is 0. Now reconnect the high and low pressure tubes to the controller. Check if the pressure in the mechanical gauge is equal to the DP value in the app. If so, check if the continuous flushing has stopped. If it has, then you have solved the problem. If after connecting the high and low pressure tubes to the controller, the DP sensor still shows different DP values from the mechanical gauge and the continuous flushing hasn't stopped, then you need to replace the DP sensor. Open the controller with a screwdriver and remove the batteries. Disconnect the high and low pressure tubes from the controller. Disconnect the electric wires of the DP sensor. Open 2 screws that connect the DP sensor to the controller. Now take out the DP sensor and replace it with a new one. Screw in the new DP sensor with the 2 screws to the controller. Then connect the electric wires exactly as shown in the video. Now place back the batteries in the controller. Calibrate the new DP sensor by pressing the calibration button in the SG app. Now reconnect the high and low pressure tubes to the DP sensor. verify the continuous flushing is stopped and the DP on the app and on the pressure gauge are equal. If so, you have solved the problem. If the continuous flushing continues, you have a problem with the controller and you need to contact your Netafim representative.